In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create internal page links in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing your tasks, notes, and projects all in one place. And while using it, you might find situations where you need to navigate quickly between different pages. Linking pages internally can make accessing your information much faster and more efficient. So let's dive into the process of how to create these internal page links seamlessly. To start, the first thing you need to do is open your Notion workspace. Once you're there, navigate to the specific page where you wish to create your link. This is a crucial step as the space you choose will serve as the base for your internal link. It's much like setting up a bridge from one page to another, so having your starting point ready is essential. Now that you're on the desired page in your Notion workspace, it's time to initiate the linking process. To do this, simply type the @ symbol. Think of the @ symbol as your quick access guide to navigating through your workspace. Immediately following the @ symbol, begin typing the name of the page you're looking to link. For instance, if you want to link to a page titled Goals, you would type @goals. As you type, you'll notice that Notion intelligently provides you with a list of suggestions that match your input, helping you find the correct page swiftly, even if your workspace is full of content. Once the suggestions appear, all you need to do is select the page from the list that you want to link to. Simply click on the page name that you see in the suggestions. This action creates a hyperlink on your current page that connects directly to the page you've selected. It's a quick and effective way to connect your pages, reducing the time you spend navigating through menus to access related content. Now, you've set up your link, but it's important to ensure that everything is working correctly, so go ahead and test it. Hover over the newly created link and click it. This action should instantly transport you to the linked Notion page. If the page opens without issues, you've successfully created a functioning internal link. Creating these internal links is a small action that can significantly enhance your workflow, keeping interconnected information just a click away. It's a great way to maintain an organized and efficient digital workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to start linking pages in your own Notion workspace, as this will help streamline your access to information. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.